Welcome to Rehrig Pacific's Oil Sampling SOP video. In this video, you will learn where and how to take the most representative oil sample of your Cross-Maffei and Van Dorn hydraulic systems. First, we need to collect the tools necessary for the oil sampling procedure. These include shop towels, wire cutters, green tags, sample bottles, oil disposal bucket, test hose, latex gloves, sampling assembly, zip ties, and the plastic storage bag. Warning: high pressure present during sampling. Ensure to keep the sample assembly pointed away from you at all times while connected to a test port. All sampling locations for Rehrig Pacific machines are listed here by machine type. The first step of the procedure is to identify the correct sampling location on the manifold as shown here. In Atlanta, all of these will have a new vinyl label to eliminate confusion. After identifying the correct sample location, attach the test hose to your sampling assembly and ensure it is tight. Ensure your sampling assembly has the valve closed and attach the other end of the test hose to the sample port location. After connecting to the test port, flush the test apparatus during the injection cycle into the pail. Ensure the line is flushed for 10 seconds or more. Next, repeat this procedure with a sample bottle and fill it to roughly half or 3/4 of the way full and turn the valve off. Put the cap on the sample bottle and shake it vigorously to help remove any possible contamination from the inside of the bottle. Dump this oil out into the oil disposal bucket and get ready to take the next sample. For samples taken on machines with hydrostatic bearings, the sample needs to be taken during plasticizing so that the return oil can be captured, which will contain any brass contamination. In the top left-hand corner, you can see the flow meter for the hydrostatic bearing line indicating that the screw is plasticizing. For samples taken from machines without them, the sample can be taken during injection. After collecting the sample, attempt to remove any residual oil from the testing assembly and move to the next machine. Be sure to label the top of the sample after sealing it to eliminate the chance of oil analysis being done for the wrong machine. At the conclusion of your testing, you should have a sample that looks as shown, full of oil with a machine name and date indicated on the top of the cap. Following sample collection, we need to clean and store the sample equipment correctly. First, empty any residual oil remaining in the sampling assembly. Then, thoroughly clean the assembly with a shop rag and place in the storage bag. Next, drain the test line, then clean and roll up neatly. Use zip ties to hold the shape of the hose and place in the bag with the sampling assembly, with the two yellow caps placed on both ends of the hose fittings.